Hi, today in front of me REALME GT2 and I'll show you how to uh, edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So if you want to add here some options or remove some of them or just to change their positions, we should click here to this edit icon and just, for example, let's add the screen lock option to our panel. To do that, we should hold and drag this icon to this up section. Let's also add here a couple of different options. So by this way we can add them. If you want to remove some of these options, we should just hold for a while and drag it to this down section by this way. And also we can just change the positions of the icons by hold and slide to the left or to the right side the icons. So just to save the changes, we should click to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.